recording. This is Brian. Pick it up, One. That's good. We don't want to... Ouch, that's pretty horrible. How do you feel about your rod knock, Bryant?
I'm trying to sell this car for about $5,000, you know, so you got a turbo hood scoop.
It's a rare car too, right?
Comes with a USB cable so you can modify the computer.
Interesting. Where does the USB cable plug into on the car, Bryant?
Well, what you want to do, you want to tie down the hood so it doesn't fly up on you.
Okay.
And we got the...
So it doesn't actually plug into a computer for modification then?
No. We got the cold, hot air intake.
The cold, hot air intake. It's cold air during the winter, right?
Something like that. We got a hood prop.
Hood prop. Multi-purpose hood prop.
We got a hood latch. This is spare.
Spare one. Secondary hood latch.
For a car. Damn shame. Damn shame.